More reports coming in of post-poll violence in Bengal. A BJP fact-finding team is touched down in Kolkata, and at the same time, a crude bomb has been found outside the BJP office in the city. Cops and bomb squad conduct searches now at the spot. This is in the heart of Kolkata now, that a crude bomb has been found just meters away from the BJP office.
A high-powered committee has been formed by the BJP's national president JP Nadda, which is to visit North Kolkata area regarding post-poll violence. And just ahead of their trip, a bomb has been detected just in front of state BJP party office. And we are right now present at in front of 6 Muldarshan Lane in North Kolkata, which is the BJP state party office. And just in front of this party office, at this stone throwing distance, a bomb has been detected. A bomb can be seen still over here. मिस्टर घोष, अभी बीजेपी का जो सेंट्रल टीम है अभी पहुंचने वाले कुछ देर में, इससे पहले बीजेपी पार्टी ऑफिस के सामने एक बॉम्ब दिख रहा है।
ये देखिए, ये सिर्फ अपने बीजेपी पार्टी ऑफिस के बात नहीं है, बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता का बात नहीं है, भाजपा सांसद का भी बात नहीं है। सिर्फ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल। ये कहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कलकत्ता शहर में यहाँ पे ऐसा हो रहा है, तो वी ऑल्सो डोंट नो वेदर इट्स अ बॉम्ब और नॉट। दैट नीड्स टू बी चेक्ड आउट। That needs to be checked out by the Kolkata police and the bomb squad. तो उन लोगों को देखना पड़ेगा कि ये बम है कि नहीं है। हम लोग को भी पता नहीं है ये क्या है। But it seems that something threatening is out over here. तो ये जब है, तो for the security reasons, the police and the bomb squad should stick into it.
गंगा जी, इस वक्त हम लोग जहाँ पर मौजूद है, ये कोई गांव नहीं, ये कोलकाता है, नॉर्थ कोलकाता है, और यहाँ से 100 मीटर भी नहीं होगा बीजेपी पार्टी ऑफिस है। यहाँ पे बम कैसे हो सकता है?
That's the saddest part. कि कोलकाता के अंदर अगर ये सच में बम होता है, दैट वुड बी द सैडेस्ट पार्ट कि ये बम आया कहां से, और ये क्या, ये दिस इज व्हाट वी स्पीक अबाउट पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस। आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज आई स्टिल डोंट नो वेदर इट्स अ बॉम्ब और नॉट। आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट स्टिल इफ इट्स अ बॉम्ब, then it's a very sad story that we see in Kolkata today.
Where is Kolkata police? Where is the bomb squad?
I don't know where.
Have you informed police?
No, our people have informed the Kolkata police. The bomb squad and the Kolkata police seems to be.
We can see the bomb squad. The Kolkata police from local police station has reached the spot. They are barricading the area where bomb were detected. We can see the police forces from Jorashak police station have already reached the spot after being informed about the bomb can be seen over here, and they are barricading the place, and the bomb will be recovered by the bomb disposal squad very soon. With camera person Shyam Sundar Ghosh, this is Rajesh Saha for India Today, Kolkata.
And Rajesh Saha is now joining us live from Kolkata, from that very spot where the crude bomb has been found. Rajesh, what's the latest update? The BJP has just reacted, putting the onus on Mamata Banerjee, saying that this is another indication of the deteriorating law and order situation.
Exactly, that crude bomb has already been recovered by the bomb disposal squad of Kolkata police, which has been recovered just a few minutes back. At this moment, I am present on the Central Avenue in North Kolkata, and the BJP North Kolkata party office is just behind me, which is just 50 meters away from over here. And camera person Shyam Sundar Ghosh is showing the visual of BJP party office. That is the BJP party office of North Kolkata district BJP. And a crude bomb was found from here over this barricade, which is in the middle of this Central Avenue in this road in North Kolkata, and that bomb was located from here. We, the central team formed by BJP National President JP Nadda was scheduled to visit the victims of post-poll violence today, and we, the journalists, were waiting for the central team to reach over here. At this moment, we were the first people who noticed that bomb was found over here. And then BJP District President, North Kolkata District President Tamogda Ghosh reached over here and reacted over this incident. Then the police forces from local police station rushed to the spot, and bomb disposal squad was called to recover the crude bomb. And then we saw that.
So the bomb has now been recovered. At this point, the investigation is still underway as to who placed it. Thanks very much, Rajesh, for joining us with those details.